everyone, and warm greetings from the island of Tobago, the greatest little island on the planet. As we step into Caribbean Tourism Month this November, we are proud to unite with our Caribbean neighbors under the theme, One Caribbean, Building a Resilient Future. This theme captures our shared vision across the Caribbean to foster a tourism industry that is strong, adaptable, and sustainable for generations to come. Here in Tobago, we are expanding our theme with our own, connecting our roots, strengthening our future. It is a reminder that the deep roots we have to our culture, heritage, and environment, and our commitment to nurturing these treasures while embracing a bold future. We are connected by our shared love for this island and our dedication to a tourism industry that benefits not just visitors, but every Tobagonian. Throughout this month, we will be engaging our communities, celebrating our unique heritage, and sharing stories that make Tobago truly special. We want everyone, locals and visitors alike, to experience the warmth of our culture, the beauty of our landscapes, and the strength of our community spirit. Tobago's resilience has always been our strength. And as we look to the future, we are building a tourism sector that honors our past while creating opportunities for our young people, protecting our environment, and inviting the world to see the best of who we are. This celebration is more than just events on a calendar. It is a call to action for us all to play a part in shaping a tourism sector that can withstand the challenges and uplift us all. We are grateful to be part of this Caribbean family, working together to build a brighter, more resilient future. Thank you, and let us make this Caribbean Tourism Month in Tobago unforgettable as we continue connecting our roots and strengthening our future together.